What's up, entrepreneurs? Brand with Credit here, back with another video. When is it a good time to invest in your brand? Well, the first thing about this is there a such thing as branding your business too early? Yes, there is. So it's too early if you're not sure what your offer is, and it's definitely too early if you're not clear on who your target audience is. So if there's a such thing as branding your business too early, then at what point do you know that it's a good time to start investing in your brand? So first, you need to know that it's a good time to invest in your brand when you have a strong, sustainable business model and you're ready to grow. Even if your business is still young and you've done enough to validate the services that you offer, then it could be a good time to go all in. And by validating your services, I mean you work with enough clients to know that you've got something that people need and there's enough demand for it to support your business. At that point, it becomes a matter of finding ways to attract more potential clients to your business. So branding here helps you establish your professionalism so you look credible and people take you seriously. It also helps to improve the visibility of your business by allowing people to familiarize themselves with who you are and what you do as you market your business. So a huge part of building a brand is knowing who your audience is, who your ideal clients are. So I define your brand as the relationship that you build with your audience. So you know what that means? No audience, no brand. So to effectively grow your brand, you need to know who you're building this relationship with. And I'm not just talking about demographics like age and gender and where they live. I mean, you know what the problem is that they're struggling with and how you can solve it for them. You know, the things that they want to achieve. If you know these things and you're ready to build that relationship with them, to start conversations and dig deeper into what it's going to take to really help them, then it's worth developing your brand to help you stand out, to connect with them. When you have a clear, well-defined ideal client in mind, it's going to be easier to focus your brand and market yourself to that specific audience. That makes it easier for those high-quality clients to find you and to reach you, so you're not always hustling for clients. And you shouldn't be hustling for clients anyway. We should be aligning with clients. When you're putting out a targeted message, that message is more likely to be heard and resonate with the right person compared to just sending some vague general messaging that's going to be ignored by everybody. However, helping you gain clients isn't the only advantage of being clear on your target audience. When you're focused on solving a specific problem for a targeted audience, it also means you can charge higher prices. And if you're helping a unique kind of client with a unique kind of problem, you'll be seen as a specialist in your industry. And guess what? Clients are willing to pay premium prices to work with a specialist because they know the specialist has high-level knowledge and experience. Plus, you can also build a reputation and become known for that specific thing. So this continues from the last point about your target audience. Maybe you've been growing your business, but you haven't built much of an audience of people who want to hear from you. So when it comes to developing and growing a community, there's plenty of places that you can do it. For example, Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, even your email list, even a physical location. So communities are a great way to grow support for what you do, find clients, and discover new ways to serve those clients. To do this, though, it helps to have a strong, consistent image that people can stand behind, that people want to stand behind. So your logo can be a symbol that they recognize, along with your color palettes and any patterns or textures that you have for your brand. But a strong core message is what's going to allow them to recognize your mission and your values. Even through different mediums, your website, your social media platforms, again, your emails. If there's a visible cohesiveness, it aligns your audience and builds that sense of community. Now, until you put some real thought and consideration into what your brand stands for, your marketing efforts are going to be non-existent. You'll be spending money on marketing with no return on investment. Branding is the key. Branding is the key to making your marketing work harder for your business. Branding is all about communication. And that doesn't stop with your visuals, your logos, your colors, your marketing materials, or any type of design. It also requires strong, solid messaging, the words themselves, to convey the value of your business. So you can create marketing that your ideal clients find compelling and it's going to draw them in. Part of developing your brand is defining your purpose, your values, and your brand personality. So with these foundational pieces, you can create a message, a brand message that makes a real impact when you use it in your marketing. If you are tired of competing on price, a key reason to develop your branding is to help you differentiate your business from others like it, from others in the market, from other coaches, consultants, and professional service providers. Aren't you tired of reducing your prices and haggling with potential clients who don't see the value in what you do or who can't understand why they should hire you over some other service provider? Okay. It sounds like it's time to define your brand so you can show folks the reason that make your business a perfect fit for those ideal clients. Again, branding is about communication. And I don't mean telling your audience about your services. I mean, it tells them about the values that you stand by. It shows them that you understand what their actual desired outcome looks like and that you have a solution to help them achieve it. It expresses what kind of experience you deliver in experience and the type of person who'd be a good fit for your services. So when you can communicate those things, it shows your audience that there's so much more to consider than price. And when the right person comes along, they can see why they should choose you, and they will choose you. Listen, your brand is such an essential asset to your business. I think it's well worth the investment that it takes to define it and to develop it. And while I believe you shouldn't jump in before you're ready, I also think that once you've reached a point in your business where you are ready to grow and take things to the next level, branding is a significant investment to make. And if you're at that point where you're ready to take your brand to the next level, you can start with my free brand personality quiz, where you're going to discover your unique brand archetype. And that's going to help you attract more of your ideal clients through your strategy and your visuals by being your true, authentic self. And that link is in the description below. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead, leave me a comment, share it with your networks, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more. So thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.